Well, today I wanted to tell you about a plant that takes a licking and keeps on ticking, and that is Italian arum. Now you can see here we've got this beautiful green foliage, and the leaves here, they're a nice arrow-shaped leaf with this cream-colored venation, and it really can brighten up a shady spot in the garden. Now this is a great plant for this shade, and the other thing that's great about it is you can see that we've got all this nice green foliage really early in the spring. That's because it's actually been green all winter long. Italian arum is a bulb that you can plant in your garden in a shady spot to get some green foliage all winter long, because it actually comes up in the late fall and the foliage stays green all winter. Even though it snows or freezes, it may wilt down a little bit, but it bounces right back, and then you've got this great, wonderful foliage for the spring. Now it's a good plant to pair with something like hostas or maybe some of your hardy ferns, because it will be here all winter long, and then as the weather starts to warm up, this foliage will actually die. And if you had it paired with your hostas would start growing as this foliage was fading, and then your hostas would be there all summer long. Now it likes the same kind of environment. It likes a shady spot and also soil that's high in organic matter and is kept fairly moist. So it's a good pairing for either those hostas or those ferns that you might have in your garden. Now you can't get it right now. It's one of those bulbs that you can order from the bulb catalogs that they'll ship you to plant in the fall. So put it on your list that you'd like to find some Italian arum and plant it in your garden this fall so that you'll have a wonderful crop of green all winter long.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.